Once again, you all are welcome in my channel. Today I am going to show you a one very basic trick for a long division, and this will help the students to make the factor fast. And this is more useful for the student who are appearing for the entrance exams, where they have to be solve the questions by dividing the polynomial with some another. So let us start this technique. I'll show you how to do the polynomial division. This is very easy, but you have to keep in your mind, you have to divide it with the linear polynomial to the any polynomial with the linear polynomial. So let us see, this is an example. By conventional method, everybody knows how to do this division. So what you have to do, you have to first of all you have to do it with the x square. You will get x cube and minus x square. Then you have to change the sign. This will strike out. This will 2x square plus x plus 1. Now you have to multiply it with 2x to cancel out this. This is 2x square plus 2x. Sorry, this is minus 2x. Then you have to change the sign. Once you change the sign, this will be 3x plus 1. Now you have to multiply it with 3. This will gives you 3x minus 3, and when you change the sign, you will get the remainder 4. This is the long division method. Now you can do it very easy by the trick. What you have to do, you just have to write the coefficients of all the variables here, like x cube is 1, x square is 1, x is 1, and then constant, it is 1. And what second thing you have to do, first of all, this x minus 1 you have to put it equal to 0, and you will get x is equal to 1. Write write the value of 1 here. Then first of all, this value you have to remain same. Then you have to multiply these two. 1 ones are 1. You have to write it here and add them. This will give you 2. Then you have to multiply this 2 with this 1. You will get 2, and you have to add them together. This will get 3. Then you have to multiply this 3 with this 1. You will get 3 here, and then you have to add this. Then this 4 is basically your remainder, and you have to write it like this with the increasing power of x. This is 3, and then 2x, then x square. See, this is the quotient that you get here, and this is the remainder that you get here and here. So I hope you understand this division. I'll show one more example to you. See, if you want to divide x cube plus 8 to x plus 2, so how this division is occur, first of all I'll show you. You have to multiply with x square. You will get x cube plus 2x square, and then you have to change the sign. This get cancelled out. This is minus 2x square plus 8. Then you have to multiply it with minus 2x. This will give you minus 2x square and minus 4x. Then you have to change the sign. This get cancelled out. This is 4x plus 8. Now you have to multiply it with 4. This will gives you 4x plus 8, and both will cancel out. You will get 0 remainder. Now with the trick, one thing you have to take care, since x cube coefficient is 1, you have to put 1. Since x square coefficient is not present, you have to put 0. And since x coefficient is not there, you have to put it 0. And then at the end, you have to write the constant. So mind it, this is coefficient of x cube, this is coefficient of x square, this is coefficient of x, and then this is 8. Now you have to divide it with x plus 2 is equal to 0, which will gives you x is equal to minus 2. Just write minus 2 here and take this 1 as it is. Then 1 into minus 2, this is minus 2. Then you have to add them. This will give you minus 2. Then minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Then you have to add them. You will get 4. Then you have to multiply 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. And then you have to add them. This will give you 0. Then this 0 is basically your remainder, and the answer will be minus 4 minus 2x, and then x square. See, this is 4, this is constant. You have to put x here, you have to put x square here. See, you will have a same answer as desired, and the remainder is also 0. So I hope you understand this example also. Let us see one last example here. Here I'll show you to divide a long number like this, x6, x5, x4, then x square, then 1 with say x plus 1. Now what you have to do, by conventional method, first of all I'll write it here. So x is, you have to multiply with x5. This would be x5 plus x, this is x5, this is cancel out, this is 6. Now change the sign, this get cancel out, and then x4 plus x2 plus 1. So you have to multiply it with x3, so that this will be x4 and x cube. Then change the sign, this get cancel out. This is minus x cube plus x square plus 1. Now you have to multiply it with x square. This would be x cube minus x square. This is plus, this get cancel out. This is 2x square plus 1. Then you have to multiply it with 2x. This is 2x square plus 2x. Then you have to change the sign, this get cancel out. This is minus 2x plus 1 left. Now you have to be multiply it with minus 2, so that this is minus 2x minus 2. When I change its sign, this get cancel out. This is 3, so 3 is our remainder. So you see how long it is, the division is, and it is very difficult. So by the shortcut trick we'll see. First of all, you have to write the coefficient 1, 1, 4, 1, then 3, coefficient is not there, then 0, then 2, then x coefficient is not 0, then 0, then 1. And now you have to put it x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. You have to write it here. You have to keep the first number same. Then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So write it here. So minus 1 and 1 is 0. Then you have to multiply these two together. This will give you 0, and then you have to add them. This will give you 1. Then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then 0 plus minus 1 is minus 1. Then you have to multiply minus 1 with minus 1. That will give you plus 1. And then you have to add them 2. Then 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. When you add them, this is minus 2. Then minus 2 into minus 1 is 2 again, and when you add them, it will give you 3. So 3 is minded your remainder, and then your answer would be minus 2, then 2x, then minus 2x square, and x square, then minus x cube, then x raised to power 4, x3, then 0, and then x raised to power 5. So this is minus 2, this is 2x, and this is minus x square. Sorry, here I did a little bit wrong. This is minus x square, and then x cube, then x4 is not there, then x5. So by doing this, you will see you will have a same answer like this. You have a same answer, and you have the same remainder left as we did it here. So hope you like this method, and you can apply this method wherever you have to do the long division with the linear polynomial that you must have to keep in your mind. So I will come back with the new method and the new innovative techniques. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.